Hey everyone, welcome back to Inspired to Share. Today, we're diving into color, specifically how to easily choose color combinations for your designs using the Adobe Color Wheel. If you ever felt lost trying to find colors that just go together, this tool will be a game changer. Adobe Color Wheel is a free, web-based tool that helps you find color palettes that harmonize beautifully. And the best part? You don't need any background in design to use it. You'll learn quick tips on creating color schemes that feel balanced and look great in your projects. First, let's head over to color.adobe.com. It's free to use and works straight from your browser. Once you're there, you'll see a color wheel and a range of options to explore. Now, Adobe Color Wheel makes things easy by offering built-in color harmony rules. Think of these as guidelines to create balanced color combinations. Today, we'll go over a few of the most popular rules you can try out. Analogous colors sit next to each other on the color wheel. They naturally feel harmonious because they're similar, create a subtle, cohesive look. Perfect for designs where you want a calm, unified feel. Complementary colors are directly opposite each other. This combo brings contrast, making colors pop. It's great if you want high impact and to draw attention to specific parts of your design. Triadic, this rule uses 3 colors that are evenly spaced around the wheel. Triadic schemes are vibrant and balanced, which makes them ideal if you want a colorful, lively design without overwhelming your audience. Once you pick a harmony rule, you can tweak the shades and tints of your colors. Adobe Color Wheel lets you customize your chosen colors by adjusting the hue, brightness, and saturation. This way, you can create a palette that's unique and perfectly suited to your project. Once you've created a color palette you like, you can easily get the exact colors by using their hex codes. Hex codes are 6-digit combinations of letters and numbers that represent colors. Super handy for making sure your colors look the same across different platforms and design tools. Under each color, you'll see a box with a 6-digit code, like 3498 dB. Just copy that code, and you can paste it directly into other design programs like Photoshop, Canva, or even websites if you're working with HTML or CSS. And that's it. Using Adobe Color Wheel, you'll never have to guess which colors go together again. Play around with the different harmony rules, and you'll quickly see how fun and easy it can be to create beautiful color combinations.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.